Taking the field today, both teams look balanced and eager to perform. Slips in plays. Good shot for a single. Well played, but straight to the fielder. He didn't get any timing on that one. Well placed into the gap, possible too. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It's also good for batting. Missing his line there, wide signalled. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. That's a good. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favourite players. Turned away for a single. Bullseye! What a throw! Flat and fast! Oh, what a catch! He managed to hang on to that. Just that one to perfection. A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all. My God, this looks